R3F is a cool way to make websites more fun. It helps you make things move in 3D like in video games. Normally websites are flat like pictures. R3F lets you add depth and make things pop out. This is great for making your website more interesting and eye-catching. People will want to stay longer and explore. If you use Next.js to build websites, R3F is easy to add. Next.js is like the base of your website, and R3F adds the cool 3D stuff. First, you need to tell your Next.js project about R3F. You do this by installing it like a digital tool. You can use a command like this in your project npm install at react3/fiber. This adds the R3F magic. Next, you create a special place on your webpage for the 3D stuff. Think of it like a container for your 3D creations. Inside this container you can start making simple shapes. A box is a good start. You tell it where to be, its size, and its color. Sometimes things don't work perfectly when you first start using R3F. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. One common problem is that your 3D objects might not show up. Make sure you've added them to the right container on your page. Another issue could be that your objects are the wrong size. Double-check the numbers you use to define their size and position. If you're still having trouble, the R3F community is very helpful. There are forums and websites where you can ask for help. Once you're comfortable with the basics, there's so much more you can do with R3F. It's like learning a fun, creative game. You can add lights to your scene to make things look more realistic. You can also make your objects move and interact with each other. There are even ways to import 3D models from other programs. This lets you add complex and interesting objects to your website. The best way to learn is by experimenting and having fun. Try building different things with R3F and see what you can create.